Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. My name is Zaria and I'm a crochet artist. I wish I could paint all love. Thank y'all for joining me today for another video. I'm so excited for this one. It is kind of gloomy, so I'm sorry for the bad lighting. It's raining outside. You might be able to hear it in the background, but that doesn't matter. I just posted a crochet with me video of me making a beanie. If y'all like those type of videos, y'all should go check that out, definitely. I'm sorry, my cat is screaming. Wafer. Come here, Wafer. Y'all probably don't see him a lot because he's shy, but this is Wafer. I know y'all saw him in the Halloween video, but hey, Wafer. You got your claw in my leg, ow. So let's just hop right into it. Today, I've been wanting to make this video for a very long time, but I don't know, I just never did. What we're going to be doing today, we're gonna be recreating my very first crochet project. Oh my God. So before we can even get into that, I gotta show it to you. Mind you, this was literally the first thing I ever made besides just crocheting in a line. And here it is. And when I made this, you couldn't tell me, bruh. I was just like, yeah, this is it, this is great. But looking back at it, it's actually kind of, not gonna lie. From afar, it's cute. It's a little bag. And mind you, I did line it. So, I mean, props for that. But when you really look up close, the stitches start to look a little worse. Ooh. I used a rotary cutter to make holes in the fabric to just crochet it through. And I think I might do that again because I really do like how it looks, but I'm definitely gonna try to do it a little neater. Look at the corner. Look at where the straps are attached. Yeah, it's just I don't know, but I will say, to say this is the first thing I ever made, it could be worse. And also, the colors aren't even the same. I don't know if you can tell, but these two pinks are literally not the same because I ran out of this one and I couldn't find it. I couldn't find it again, so yeah. Also, it's very small, so I'm thinking of making it a little bigger. Well, I am, because I already started on one square. I'm gonna show you in a second. But yeah, that is our quest of the day, to recreate this bag. I don't know if I'll finish it today, but we'll see. I want to say that bag probably took me a month to make. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe not a month, maybe not a month. I'm gonna look at my photos and see how long. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I just looked. It took me 2.5 weeks to make this. From March 17th to April 3rd. It took me to make this. But yeah, I remember struggling so hard on trying to make the hearts, but I just started. I'm going with different color pinks, but it is gonna still be pink. I'm doing this color pink. I just made this heart. So size comparison, it is, that's almost the whole square. So this one is gonna be bigger. And then I'm just gonna do this color pink and then light pink. I'll show you, but y'all know what light pink looks like. Okay, so yeah, the other color is just gonna be light pink, so. Oh, it's gonna be so cute. I'm excited. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on and what's happening. And yeah, I'll update you guys when I have more. Okay. Hey y'all, so I finished a square. This is what we're looking like. It's a lot bigger than the other one. I'll do like a size comparison for you. Well, it's not a lot bigger, but it is a decent size bigger. But yeah, I need, what, 3 more of these, because it's 4 total on the bag. So yeah. Hey y'all, I don't even know how long it's been since I've updated this video, but I'm gonna show you what I have so far. And yeah, I'm in the bathroom because it's raining and this is the best lighting I can get right now. So also my nose is running, so bear with me. But as y'all remember, here's the bag. I know it was a few seconds ago for you, but it might have been a week or 2 for me. But so I have 1, 2, 3. Where's the last one? 4 squares completed, and that's how many I need for the bag. Okay, yeah, so those are the 4 squares. I might redo the border on this one because it's smaller than the other ones, and I don't want to have problems when I'm sewing it together. But yeah, so the heart squares are done, and now I have to make the plain squares in the darker pink. But what I think I'm going to do, I think I'm going to use this exact same pattern, but instead of doing 2 different colors, I'll just keep the heart and the background the same dark pink color, you know? So I can make sure the squares are gonna be like pretty much the same size. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. Why am I out of breath? But yeah, you guys, it's like 7 in the morning. So I always say I want to finish this in 1 day and it never happens, but I actually do want to try to finish this today so I can get this video out for y'all. Before I can get started, I need to go find something to eat. I think I want to make breakfast, so you guys want to come make breakfast with me? Let's go. Oh my God, I'm so hungry. Wait. Hold on, you guys. What's going on? LOL. Did I make y'all laugh with that one? I have food in my fridge, I promise. Not just yarn. Okay, you guys, I'm finna eat. I will see y'all when I'm ready to get back to work on the bag, because I'm gonna need some privacy with this one. All right? Okay. Hey, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna show y'all what I have done. This is one side. I ended up like surface crocheting around the heart pattern because I did the same pattern as I did for this square as this square. I just did it 1 color versus 2 colors. And the heart I just like surface crocheted around so you can see it, but I think it looks cute. So I have that side done. I need to like weave in the ends and stuff, but I have the squares for the other side done. I just need to put them together. Okay, so I forgot to block these squares before I put them together, so they're kind of like stretched a little bit, but it's okay. It's gonna work, I promise. Once they get sewn together, you won't be able to tell. But look, so I don't have one of those blocking boards, so this is basically how I block my squares. So I did just block these and I just took them off, but basically I just use skewer sticks and like a cardboard box to block my squares because I don't have a blocking board. So I feel like the blocking boards are kind of pointless because why am I paying like $20-30 for something I can just improvise with stuff I have laying around? But yeah, we are going to put these together, and then combine the two sides. And yeah, and after that, I'm gonna line it. If y'all want to see how I line this, I think I'm probably gonna make a tutorial. So stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna show y'all how to crochet a lining into a bag without sewing it. So yeah. So here's the one I just put together. Here's the first one I put together. This one is bigger because I made a border around it. I think I'm just gonna do a top and the bottom so they're even on this one, and it'll just have extra on the sides too from this one, not from this one. But I have to have it on the top and the bottom so they can line up correctly. So yeah, I'm gonna do that real quick, and then we are going to put them together. Hey, next day. This is the first side. I weaved in all the ends and cut the extra strings. I just have to do the same to this one, and then I can sew them together. Okay, y'all, we have made a lot of progress. I have successfully sewed my lining. Well, I crocheted my lining. I love the look of the crochet lining. It's my favorite way to line bags. But yes, our bag is nearly complete. We just need a strap or some sort. But the lining looks amazing. I love it. So while I was doing the lining, I made a tutorial, so that should be out after this video. But I did make a tutorial to show you guys how to line any type of crochet bag with crocheting with no sewing. So I hope you guys enjoy that video. But yeah, we're gonna keep working on this. Hey y'all, so today is the day. The bag is finally finished. I just finished doing the strap. Y'all just saw that, but it is officially finished. You guys want to see? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all ready? Y'all not ready? Okay, so this is the final bag. I did one strap instead of two like the old one, but I'm gonna give y'all a little overview. So we got our 4 hard granny squares, and we have our inside lining. We crocheted in, and then we have one strap going from one side to the other. So I made the strap long so it can be worn across body like this. Yes, okay, you can't really see it, but let me lower the camera. For reference, this is how we started with this bag. And this is our new and improved model. Oh my god, it came out so good. I really do like the ones that are like this with the surface crochet around. I think that was a nice touch. And I wanted to keep the strap the same theme, so I did it the same. I just made it thicker so it can support a bigger bag. And yeah, the lining came out amazing, even better than I imagined. But yeah, I'm so excited. Thank you guys so much for coming with me on this journey of recreating my first ever crochet project. I couldn't have asked for it to come out better than it did. I am amazed, I'm happy, yeah. If y'all did enjoy this video today, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway for this bag, or making another one just like this and doing a giveaway for Valentine's Day since it matches the theme. But I haven't decided yet. Make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can stay updated on if and when I do the giveaway. But that's all I have for y'all today. Thank y'all so much for spending some time with me. I really appreciate it, and I love every single one of y'all. And I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, y'all.